What sets KCBR Design Remodel apart is truly the people in our team here. We have our designers, our project management, craftsmen, even some of the subcontractors that we've worked very closely with over years. We have a really great team that is very passionate about what they do and are eager to, put in their best work every day. It's not about just showing up for the job. We really have our clients' best interest. We have a really organized process here. It's the culture and the people, and we work really hard here to, continue to deliver the best product too, and get to know our clients through every step of the process, and making it a really seamless process and experience. In remodeling, it's not always perfect. There can be unexpected things. So you really need to make sure you trust the team that you hire, that they can handle and problem solve through those things in the best interest of the client and not run away from those things. You hear a lot of the nightmares on remodeling, and sometimes it's maybe people are trying to take on more than they can handle, and it just escalates quickly. And for us, we have a really great team to take on any of these kind of projects and ensure client experience. So we will always work through things. We've got the resources around us. We're very intentional about really every step of this process. We have a whole process just to prep your home for this remodel. As you go through the process, construction gets going, and remodeling it can feel like a little bit of a roller coaster. It's really exciting, and then there's things happening that just feel like a little bit slower, and then all of a sudden it gets really exciting again because some of those finishing details are coming together. But with us, we know that that's common. So we're able to really keep our clients informed. They're encouraged, they're excited through the process, and when things do maybe go unexpected or wrong, we're their advocates. We're going to work through those things, and that's why at the end of the day we continue to work with really awesome clients that we have a lot of repeat or referrals, and I think it's a true testament just to the care we put into every project, and each client to us we look at as a long-term relationship. It's really rewarding too because we get to know these clients so well, and they get to share with us how the remodeling has changed their day-to-day. We have a high standard to continue to raise the bar and create a really great client experience, and that goes into each and every project and client interaction that we have, and your project truly is our passion.